To be a mechanic, to make an impact on people's lives is pretty exciting stuff. Every night I come in, it's something new, so it keeps things exciting. In a typical day, I'm working with line managers, the cell operators, or cell technicians, or quality technicians to keep the machines up and running, try to reduce any kind of loss, downtime in the machines. Every little thing matters. There's always something to learn. There's always something to figure out. My favorite thing working here, the people I work with. My managers are very down to earth, very realistic. They're always willing to help. Everyone knows everyone's name. I would say a good characteristic to succeeding in my role, to have a high level of integrity, relying on employees to always do the right thing regardless if they're being watched or not. There's plenty of opportunities to grow within the company. There's always opportunity to learn new things or learn to be in a new role.